You wanted a backyard homestead tour, so here it is. And I want to show you everything that we've done over 6 years to completely transform this space into our urban backyard oasis. My wife and I bought this property 6 years ago, and every single year we have added something or made some sort of change that has created this beautiful oasis that we call our backyard homestead. And we're doing this in the suburbs of Virginia. So it's not like we're growing on acres and acres of land, but we've been able to create a thriving vegetable garden, raise chickens, capture our own rainwater, and just grow a majority of the things that we use every single day from this space alone. I've got a couple new additions that I'm really excited about this year, and we always focus on the main vegetable garden, but I want to talk about or start with the more untamed section of our property. This is definitely the more wild section of our property, and I had every intention of it being that way. And I was really going for more of a botanical garden or arboretum-like feel, a space that's just peaceful and a joy to walk through. It's full of perennials and has some raised beds mixed in, and some of my favorites are the asparagus along the fence line, this beautiful fig tree, as well as our rain butterfly garden. And I can't forget about these beautiful blueberries or our strawberry ground cover. And one of my big goals for this year is to create a permanent pathway to really help to define these spaces. And I hope to add some sort of wildlife or water retention pond in the future. Water is such an important part of any homestead for watering the garden and for providing our chickens. Last year, I built this 800-gallon rainwater collection system, which is enough to water our garden for a week and a half with absolutely no rain. It's highly promoted in our area to help manage runoff, and nothing grows better plants than some rainwater. My goal for this system is to set up a automated and multi-zone drip irrigation system and completely divorce myself from city water. Our formal vegetable garden has about 300 square feet of growing space, and that allows us to grow enough produce to feed our family of 5 all year. This garden is my pride and joy, and really where everything started. I've got 6 beautiful metal Birdies raised beds in the front, 4 cedar raised beds that I created my own step-by-step plans for, and 4 simple raised beds in the back corners. We've got melons, flowers, beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, garlic, you name it, and we're probably growing it in our garden. And it's my goal to pack in as much as we possibly can to minimize maintenance and maximize production. And I'm extremely proud because I just finished creating my very own gardening school. So if you want to learn how to grow and create a garden like this step by step, you can check it out now in the description. We also have a lot of fruit trees and shrubs all over the property. Apples, pears, raspberries, blackberries, passion fruit, blueberries, strawberries, kiwi, and beautiful elderberry bushes, which are actually native to this area. But we have fruit trees and shrubs that surround our whole property, and they're going to continue to produce for years and years to come. And this is our greenhouse. It's about 4 years old, and I built it from scratch out of reclaimed glass windows, and I have loved growing in it. It has really served as a space for me to extend our season, and I made the decision to convert it to my tropical greenhouse this year. I just planted a couple Meyer lemons, a key lime, and some ginger. So it's going to be my goal for this year to figure out how to climate control the space efficiently and sustainably so that way I can keep growing these plants even through our frosty winter. This is one of our new additions this year, our new chicken run, in order to help us raise and incorporate our baby chicks into our existing flock. And they've been running around the property, but I had to get them in to show them off because this year we got a variety of breeds. They're typically called Americanas or Easter eggers, and I'm really excited because they're all going to lay different colored eggs. We decided to get a second chicken run so that way we could raise these new chicks away from our older flock and use it to incorporate them as they get older and larger. We raised them from baby chicks, and this really has been a great space to get them transitioned to life outdoors. The other addition is our brand new chicken coop. and I designed and built this myself with inspiration from Carolina coops. You've probably figured out that I love to build things, and this project is definitely a compilation of all the skills I have learned. The chicken coop used to be inside of our shed, and I really wanted to create something that functioned for our needs, supported our growing flock, and was just beautiful to look at. I have every intention of creating a build video and DIY plans for this chicken coop, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. I wanted to do this tour because so many of you requested to see the backyard homestead, and I wanted to show you that anyone is capable of doing this in their own backyard. This homesteading life really is accessible to anyone, and I hope to provide you with the inspiration and the knowledge across all the videos on my channel to help you get there. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And all of the systems that we've talked about in this video, you can find links to in the description below. I'm so glad that you joined me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.